Hello guys, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix MSVCP140.dll not found or missing in your Windows 10 or 11. Let's begin. First, I want you to go to your Windows Start menu, click and search for Control Panel. All right, go to Uninstall a program, and then over here, Microsoft Visual C++ 2015 to 2022. So we have both 86 and 64 versions. We need to do both is right click, change, and then click on repair for both. Now, if that still doesn't work, you need to do a fresh or clean installation. So you can now close everything, open your Chrome browser, then look for this Microsoft Visual C++, and then click on this particular website. And once you're here, just make sure to download the latest version for both 86 and 84. All right. Now go ahead, install everything, and once done, you need to reboot or restart your PC or laptop. And once you're back on your screen, everything should now be working as it is. And that's it. That's how you can easily get this done. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video very helpful.